Class, our today's new topic is rule method or set builder form. So in this method or in this rule builder form, if we have any set, then we can write that set in the form of variable. So that variable is x. So we write that statement, or we can write that particular set in the form of variable. How we write that? With the help of example we can understand this. Suppose I am talking about a statement or the set A of natural number less than 20. Class, this is the statement or this is your set. The set A of natural number less than 20. So this is a statement for the set, and you have to write this in the set builder form. So you all know your set is always A because your set's name is A. So your set A. This set A contain class all the natural numbers. So for that you have to understand first what is natural number. You all know natural number is indicated by n and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ... till infinite. These all numbers are natural numbers. So here I am talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to so on. So here I am talking about the set A, which is the set of natural number. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 till 20. But here again they give you one condition, less than 20. It means we are going only till 19. So it means your A is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So this is your set class. Actually this is your set, and how you write this set in set builder form. This is not a set builder form class. I just convert it into numbers only for your information, that what is the meaning of this. The meaning of this statement is this. Now how we write this in the set builder form? Now class, in set builder form how I write this? So in set builder form class, you all know your set is A, so your name of the set remains same. If there is no name, then you can write any name here, A, B, C, D, but they give you the name of the set A, so I write A here. And in set builder form class, your answer is always x. Remember this, your answer is always x, which is a variable. So your answer is x. So I write the answer x in the bracket. Understand? So your answer is x, but what is x now? So class, you all know this is your answer, and I told you your answer is x. Clear? These all numbers should be indicated by x now. Understand? I told you this is your numbers and your answer is x. These all number represented by x now. So how I write these all number in the form of x? For that I have to make this symbol. The meaning of this symbol is such that. The meaning is such that. So your answer is x such that, or we can say where x is class. Now you have to explain, after this such that, you have to explain what is x actually. Your answer is x, that's okay, but what is the meaning of x? The meaning of x is, now your answer should be start from here. Your x is a element. You all know the element means part. Your x is a part of natural number. It means now they brief you. Your answer is x, where or such that x is an element of n. N is a natural number. You all know, I told you, n means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. It means the x is an element of n means class. I told you the meaning of element in my previous video. So x is a part of natural number. It means x indicate also, if I am talking about natural number 1 2 3 4 dot 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 up to so on, so your x also may be 1 2 3 4 up to so on, because it's a part of n. So your x can be any number. But class, we have to fulfill the statement which is here. Only till 19 the numbers are here. So we have to write something else here. So we have to write, yes, x is element of n, but x is less than 20. Now class, if I am not writing this statement x is less than 20, then your answer is not fulfill the condition, because your condition is it is only till 19. So the condition fulfilled by this statement, x is less than 20. So your answer is x, where x is the element of n. By this you can get all the digits of natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to so on. So this is not the right answer. So we have to find the limit for this. So by this statement we can find the limit and we can close the bracket. So your answer is x such that x is a element of natural number 1 2 3 4 up to so on, which is wrong. So to find the specific condition we have to write this till less than 20, answer is there. So now your answer is natural number which is less than 20.